Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to send from PayPal to Google Pay. So if you want to send your PayPal money to Google Pay, unfortunately you'll see that there is no option for you to directly send it to a Google Pay account. So what you can do to a Google Pay account or a UPI ID, so you don't have that option on PayPal. So what you can simply do is you can withdraw your fund or the amount that you wish to send. You can just withdraw it to the Google Pay account to the Google Pay bank account that's linked to your Google Pay. In that way you'll be able to send from PayPal to Google Pay. To do that, you simply have to withdraw. If you have not linked the banks, or link the bank and then just withdraw your funds to the bank account that's associated to the Google Pay. So once you have done with that, then what happens, so once you have withdraw it, send to your bank account, so now that it's in your bank account, so you can simply use those funds because those account is linked to your Google Pay. So now funds will be available on your Google Pay through that linked bank account. So in that way you'll be able to use it. So this is the only option we have at this point. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.